In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate page in Adobe Acrobat 2026. Duplicate PDF. Duplicating a page is perfect when you need an extra copy of a form, a template, or any layout you want to reuse without rebuilding it. I'll walk you through opening your file, finding the page thumbnails, duplicating the page, and saving your updated PDF with a few quick tips to keep everything smooth and organized. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat 2026 and loading the PDF you want to edit. You can use File, then Open, or simply drag and drop the file onto the Acrobat window. Give the document a second to render so all pages are available. Next, bring up the page thumbnails. Look to the left-hand side of the Acrobat window for the panel and click the page thumbnails icon to display small previews of every page. If you prefer a larger tile-style view, go to Tools and choose Organize Pages. This opens the same thumbnails in a workspace with convenient page tools. Either view works for duplicating. Now select the page you want to duplicate. Click once on its thumbnail to highlight it. You don't need to open the page first. Selecting the thumbnail is enough. If the list is long, scroll to the exact page so you duplicate the right one. To duplicate the selected page, right-click the highlighted thumbnail and choose Duplicate. Alternatively, if you're in the Organize Pages workspace, click the Duplicate Page button in the toolbar. Acrobat instantly makes a copy of that page. By default, the duplicated page appears immediately after the original, keeping things tidy and easy to find. If you'd like to copy somewhere else, just drag the new thumbnail to your desired position in the page order. Take a moment to review the duplicated page. If your document includes form fields, remember that duplicated fields may share the same names, which can mirror input across copies. If that matters for your workflow, you can rename fields later to keep entries independent. When you're happy with the result, save your file. Choose File, then Save to update the existing PDF, or File, then Save. As if you want to keep the original untouched and create a new version. Pick a clear file name so you can recognize the version with the duplicated page. If you don't see the page thumbnails panel, expand the left sidebar. If duplicate appears unavailable, ensure you have permission to edit the file and that Organize Pages is included in your Acrobat plan.